here is... I didn't even get a chance to say go yet. Okay, here's my crazy daughter, Lydia, who I've been giving burping lessons to today. Do it again. Keep going. Do another one. You do it better than me now. Keep doing it. Do another one. Like that? Do it lower like a bear. Remember how I taught you like a bear? Like that, yeah. Do it lower. Okay. Good job. Good job. You're doing it better than me now. Want me to try it again? Oh my gosh, Lydia, you're killing me.